Hey y'all, welcome back. It's Van here. Today we're meeting up with Brian. Brian's got a YouTube channel. I'm gonna tell him what it is.
Wanderer Arts and Adventures.
Yeah, Brian made this sign for me. How long did it take you to make that, Brian?
Probably about 2 days.
Really?
Yeah.
Man, that looks good.
This is what a wood burner would do to your finger if you hold on to it too long.
Yeah. Well, look at that. He actually burned all these lines in there. In that wood. This is a sheet of plywood that he used, right?
Mm-hmm. That's what it looked like. I had something sketched on the back, but it's just a flat piece of wood.
Dude, this is gonna be keep forever. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah, man.
There it is. Well, what do you think? Thank you, Brian Ware. Yeah, I like it. So if y'all want to get y'all a sign like that, check out Brian's YouTube channel and hit him up in the comment section. I'm sure he'll get in touch with you. Y'all, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. You have a good one now, and you come back. Yeah.